Hello friends, welcome back to Android app development tutorials. In today's video, we will learn to make a web application using WebView. What if you want to open a particular website again and again? Will you go to your browser every time, search for your site and then select it from the list? Doesn't sound good. What if I say you can make your own application which directly displays you the desired results? Yes, now we will build a web application using WebView which displays our required web page every time we log in into it. So let's now create our WebView. You can create a new project or use your existing project to make a new activity. Now go to your activity main.xml file, change the layout to relative layout or linear layout as you like it. And now in here, simply create a web view by typing an angle bracket. Type web view, select it from the list, give its height and width as match parent, give it an ID, say web view, and that's it. Now close the angle brackets and go to your main activity.java file and invite your widget here. That is, type web view, select it from the list and give it a name, say web view, and introduce it with the help of find view by id method. Web view is equal to find view by id r.id.webview. Now it's very simple to give a URL to our web view to launch the website we want. Simply type webview.load URL and in here, in inverted commas, copy the URL of the website you want to launch inside your application. Let's copy the URL of our Android developer site. You can copy any URL as you wish to. Copy the URL and paste it here. And now type webview.set webview client and in brackets type new webview client. This is done so that on navigating inside our website, our application does not go to any other browser. The application navigation remain inside our application. Now initiate an instance of web settings to customize our web view by typing web settings, name it web settings, equal to webview.getSettings. So it is associated with our web view now. And then with this web settings, type web settings dot set javascript enabled is equal to true to establish communication between our Java code application with the website. We now need users phone internet connection to access any website, so it's mandatory to inform our manifest or the supervisor of our project to inform that we are using internet connection of the user. So in here, add permission, go to your manifest file, type in here uses permission and type internet, select it from the list and close the angle brackets, and it's done. Now run your application to see. And as you can see, our application is running perfectly well. We can click any link inside it, it will open in our application itself and we don't need to go to any browser to search for it. That's it for WebView. See you in my next video. Till then, keep watching and keep learning. Subscribe for more such educational content.